Okay, Tyler today.
Now I'm stuck in.
Okay, unstuck them. Oh, push.
I'm stuck in.
What can you find? Can you find a flower?
I found some for you.
Where?
Right there. Right there, Mommy.
There you go. What color flowers are those?
Wait. Oh, pink. Pink, Mommy. Here you go. Here's a flower for you. Here's a flower.
Thank you, baby. This is mint.
Mint?
Yeah, I just picked one. You smell it. It smells like mint. That's prickly. It's a thistle. Did you get pricked?
Nope.
No?
This is purple. I just wanted to find something. Okay. Follow the chat. Follow the feet. See what we can find. Camera. I'm looking at the sign.
Yeah,
It says backyard chickens.
Look, backyard chicken.
No, it says stop.
So stop. What are the letters?
Stop P.
S-T-O-P?
Yep. Stop.
Oh, Doodle. What's the matter?
Blah, blah, blah.
Go find me a flower. Don't pick it. Just look at it.
I can see some flowers.
Okay, go see them.
Whoa, those are the ones.
Don't pick them, baby. It looks like a daisy.
Mommy, I want to pick one for you. Here's a one for you, Mommy.
Thank you. Don't pick any more, baby.
Oh, what about these ones? These ones are so pretty. Oh. Darling. Mommy, I got some more flowers for you. I got more flowers for you. I got pink and blue.
Oh, it's pink. Very pretty. Now I have a collection.
Yep. Your own. Why I just want my collection? Flower
I'll share my collection with you.
Oops. Which one I want? We'll pick it. I'm gonna have two of mine. I'm gonna have two. These are my own collection. Here's my collection.
Okay.
Here's mine. And now, one big. We have to find different flowers. I'm gonna have, like, this many. I got all my collection. This is all the collection.
Oh, baby. What do you got?
All these goes in here.
Okay.
This one goes in here too.
We might have to start limiting our collection here.
Lemonade.
Limiting.
Lemonade.
Mm-hmm.
Our collection. This one can hold it. After lemonade, our collection.
Limit.
I got down in there.
Go show your brother.
Hey.
Is he telling you a story?
With him. So sad. With down. So sad. He's so sad. He's so sad.
Hi. We're on a nature walk. Oops. No, don't go in there, baby.
I'm not sure our house, but sure I have a different car. But not our house. It's supposed to be okay.
Oh, baby.
Oh, right here.
Okay. Do you want to make a movie?
Maybe.
Okay. A mailbox. Clothes for sale. Clothes for sale.
Shines for sale. Look at shines for sale.
Nice, sunny, windy day. Bless you, baby. Oh, careful, babe. Bumpy day. It's a runny day?